I see the cracks, I see the strain, the parts of life that can be changed. With steady hands, I take the lead to shape the world, to meet the need. Hands that mend, a will so strong, taking control to right the wrong. Ambition drives, solutions appear. The power to fix is always near. Through every trial, through every test, I rise with courage, I give my best. To guide with vision, to build repair, to turn the struggle into care. Hands that mend, a will so strong, taking control to right the wrong. Ambition drives, solutions appear. The power to fix is always near. Innovative spirit, bold and true, the strength to lead in what I do. With every challenge, I find the way to bring tomorrow into today.